Hello, welcome to the Passion RP Tokovoip Teamspeak tutorial video guide. In this guide, we will be showing you how to install Teamspeak and the accompanying plugin called Tokovoip. This allows us to externalize the voice interactions in-game to Teamspeak and allows greater flexibility and power. In this guide, we'll show you how to download and install both sets of software. The first thing that you need to install is Teamspeak. You can go out to teamspeak.com, click on this green button, and then download. You're going to want probably the 64-bit, but some people might need this 32-bit. Best to start with the 64-bit. It's going to download, and we're going to install it like we install any other application. We're going to just next through all of this stuff. Accept the license. You can go through and customize any of this stuff, whatever you need, but it's pretty easy. Okay, now we're going to run the Teamspeak client. Alright, so now we have Teamspeak up and running. You can just hit continue without logging in and set yourself a nickname. Alright, now we have half the battle. That's just a simple download this exe, next, finish, install it, couple clicks, you're up and running. Now the next thing we need is the Tokovoip plugin, and this is really what bridges the gap between the game and the voice engine. So you can go to GitHub to get this plugin. We will provide the link in the description and go down to this website. So let's hit enter like you just pasted it in, and it is the Tokovoip 125 TS3 plugin. Now at this time, in February of 2020, it is 125, but in the future it might be a future version. But it is the TS3 plugin. So go ahead and click on that. It's only 2.4 megabytes, so it only takes a couple seconds. Go ahead and install that. When you double click that from your browser, it brings up this Teamspeak add-on. All you have to do is hit install. Hit yes. Add-on successfully installed. Do you want to activate this add-on? Yes, I do. So we're going to hit yes. And then we're going to close Teamspeak. And we're going to open it back up. Now that it's back up, you can see that Tokovoip is active by looking in the plugins menu, and now you can see it highlighted. To access Passion RP Teamspeak, you go to Connection, Connect, and put in ts.passionrp.net and hit connect.
Connected.
Now you're connected. You would now move yourself by double clicking this Tokovoip lobby join here.
Channel switched.
And now you're in the correct channel. What happens is when you join the game, our software will then pick you from the lobby and put you in the in-game channel. You don't have to do anything. All you have to be is in this lobby join here, and it will take care of the rest. A few tidbits about how to maximize your settings here. You're going to want to go to Tools, Options. And here's where you'll customize your push to talk. You're going to want to go down to Capture and make sure that you're hitting push to talk. You don't want voice activation. You don't want continuous transmission. You want to be able to push a button and then talk and then let that button go. So I'm going to hit push to talk and hit my mouse button and hit apply. Now I'm ready to join Passion RP. Thank you. Have a great day.